Alright. Let's rip some packs. We got some good ones here. Alright, here are the good ones. We ripped 113 alphas and they were shit. I can't hear nothing. Wait, no, I can. Probably one of the worst starts. What are we opening? Oh, a legendary shit skin. Year Time Bravo packs we're opening. And there's no shot I open 113 alpha packs. Not one black ice, not even a duplicate. Now we're opening these packs and I'm not even gonna get one, bro. Holy shit, we still don't got one. I'm rolling dice here. I'm literally shooting. Nothing. Love that one. I mean, that one is sick, but that's mid. And then we get a green. Yo, what is this, collection? Hello? I mean, hello? Like, are we gonna get something decent here? I have this, do I not? No? Oh, it's the attachment skin? Spellbound? Is that sick? I think that's sick. No, wait. Just for them? What? What's the skin? Oh, the hat? That's doing nothing. Alright, bro. Holy shit. Our first black ice in literally probably 140 something packs. And it's the pistol for Caveira and Nomad and Capitao and Maru or whatever. Aroni. Okay, three more. Three more of these chills. I mean, alright. Fish tank. Is that Nemo? A blue. Alright, come on. End it on the big reveal. Nope. It is... I mean... Alright. Here we go. We'll swing open these four. These are probably sick. As I say that. Whoa! What a sick drone skin. Whoa, a portrait? Super useful. Alright. I'm not mad at that one. And then I got the Machine Gun skin. I mean, you know. Alright, dude. 40 Sally packs off the rip, Black Ice. Oh no, okay, I mean, that's kind of cool. Oh my god, ripped off the rip. Black ice for Buck. Let's go. Come on, keep them coming. Keep them fucking coming. This is what I'm saying. Nah, I haven't. These are no duplicates. No duplicates. We're hitting off rip. We're hitting off rip. Another one. Run it. Okay, no, that's kind of sick though. I'm not gonna hate for the Jaeger. For the Yagski. Oh, I'm not gonna use it, but we ripped the Ella shotgun. Black ice. We got some sick yeah, Cali headgear. Haven't played Siege in a minute. Alright, that's pretty cool. That's going to be my favorite skin, aka best skin of the game. Alright, continue. A portrait. We do not like to see that. Okay. Okay. That's hard. That's tough. That is tough. That is... I mean, it's alright. It's like... stuff in your hair and that, you know, but... You know, shower or whatever, but... That one's kind of shit. Alright, we were on fire. Dude, I'm getting these sick... That's Jaeger, yeah? Dude, I'm getting these sick Jaeger... We're getting these sick Jaeger skins. And it's not Black ISO, but they are pretty fire. Can't lie. Oh no, the blue ski. Sometimes the blue skis are alright though. Like, see, that blue ski's fire, you know what I'm saying? We like to see that. The transmogrification. Oof. Yeah, we botched that. We really botched that. Bro, I feel like we got every Jaeger skin in the damn, what's going on? No? Ooh. That is hard. Yeah, you see me look at that? Straight. Brewskis! That one's alright. Gold. Is that a pops? Is there a joke on that somewhere? Oh, wait a minute. No? Oh man, he's got the bum popsicle sticks, the ones with no jokes on them. Oof. That's hard to look at when you're hungry, man. Because I'm hungry. You pull the spicy noodle charm on Siege, and then all of a sudden you're starving. Maybe they're in cahoots with the noodle industry. Huh? Saying. Like, come on, bro. Come on. We really don't need this many charms. I mean, they're cool, but... God damn. The what? I don't know. Bro. Okay. We'll take it. Oh, that's actually tough. I'm equipped in that. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I forgot. My bad. I forgot to equip it. That was my fault. I mean, we gotta equip that. I mean... Oh, wait a minute. Alright. Let's go. 10 more cellies. These are... Oh, wait. What did we just open? Tough. Oh, shit. I don't even remember. Oh, well. Keep it going. Doopy? Doopy and Sally's? Huh? Huh? Doopy and Sally's? Did my grandma knit this skin? What? What are we talking on? Like, that's crazy. Actually. Bro, what? These are the ship packs. The other ones were better. Damn. Well, we didn't save the best for last, but we saved this guy for last. Yeah. I come around the corner and see that, it's uninstalled immediately. Not doing that. So I hope whoever sees me come around the corner with that does the same. So creepy, dude. Alright, that's it. Year 10, Season 3 off to a absolute shamble start. G freaking G's, man. Love you.